Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to split screen on your Windows laptop. So let's begin. So first of all, you just need to open any window. Here you can see I simply open this window, and here I also open another window, you can see. So right now, if you want this window on the left side or right side, you just need to make sure it at first. So if you want this window on the right side, so you just need to select Windows plus right arrow key, and then you can see this window already selected on right side, and on the left side you can see other window. So you can select any window from here. So I select this one. So right now here you can see you can use these two window at the same time. So guys, in this way you can very easily split your laptop or desktop screen. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching.